Girls, I got a wedding party invitation tomorrow. What should I wear? Okay, let's see what you've got. How about this one? Okay, that's not good. How about this? Hello, lovely crafters. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make DIY Barbie room divider screen. Enjoy! Let's start with style number 1, Art Nouveau style. You can use any cardboard. Now stack them into 3 layers using hot glue. Cardboard usually has 2 sides, the smoother side and the ugly side. Choose the ugly one to put the glue on, so we can hide it. There we go. Then do it again. If your cardboard is thick enough, 2 layers might be enough. It's really up to you. Now my first panel is done. All I can see are the smooth sides. Then finish the rest. Then print the image you like on a thick and a little glossy paper. I recommend you this site to find lovely images for free in a quite good resolution. Then remeasure the thickness of your panel. Mine is 12 millimeters. Then we will need any color paper. I'm choosing brown as a wood color. Cut it to match the panel size. Then let's put them together using white glue and a brush. Why I'm using white glue instead of hot glue? It's because we can spread it easily with a brush, just like spreading jam on your bread. Another reason is because you need to touch it here and there, and of course you cannot do it with hot glue. Then you don't have to worry if you're doing it in a mess, because white glue will turn transparent when it gets dry. Another reason why I like white glue, it's because it doesn't dry so fast, so you can still have time to reposition your paper. Almost done. If you think that you already did it in a precision measurement but you're still missing something, don't worry. Just cover it with a matching color marker. There we go. Problem is solved. Then the last thing, we need to put on the hinge. You can find it online at craft store. This is what you have to do before putting on the hinge. Now watch it carefully. This is the front side. Don't get it wrong. This time we're using hot glue. Be careful with your hand because it's so small and it's so hard not to touch the glue. And we're done. You can fold it as you like and store it easily in a smaller size. A little tips before putting on the hinge. Don't forget to give a little gap between the panels. Now, you can stop right here or continue to decorate it. I'm gonna add a little something to the back of the panels. How about oval mirrors? I'm using mirror-like silver paper as the mirror. Put it on the back of the panels using whether hot glue or white glue. Style number 2, shabby chic style. All the steps are just the same. It's just this time I'm using an image of vintage French door. Then I'm covering only the thin side of the panel, not the back side, because I'm happy enough with the natural color of the cardboard. Then let's paint it white to match this pattern. You'll just need a fair amount of paint. Don't get it too beautiful. It's shabby. Now, what do you think? I hope it's matched enough. Put the hinge on and done. Now you can stop right here or continue to decorate it with some mirror. Remember, it's not a real mirror. It's just a mirror-like silver paper. Girls, what do you think of this one? Nuh-uh, no. Come on, you're the guest, not the bride. Okay, another dress. How about this one? What do you think, Elsa? It's too colorful. How about this one? Finally! I like it. Yay! Okay, now I'm done here, so I'm about going somewhere. Where are you going, Elsa? Into the unknown, perhaps? I thought we're going to a movie. Oh, about that.